Got on the city bus and found a vacant seat. Thought I saw my future bride walking up the street. Chatted to the driver, hey conductor, you bus. Slow down, I think I see you, please let me off this bus.
Nadine!
Honey, is that you?
Oh, Nadine!
Honey, is that you? Seems like every time I see you, darling, you got something else to do. I saw her from the corner when she turned and doubled back. Started walking toward a coffee-colored Cadillac. I pushed her through the crowd trying to get where she is at, and I was campaign shouting like a southern diplomat.
Nadine!
Honey, is that you?
Oh, Nadine!
Baby, baby, is that you? Seems like